to my ka-OFW on the other side episode. For today's video guys, masasaksihan ninyo kung saan ako bumili ng aking pet Malu Fishda. And not all that, you will find out also the reason behind bakit mas pinili ko ang Fishda kesa magkaroon ng furry friends like dogs and cats. By the way, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, subscribe na and don't forget to leave your comments down below. And enjoy watching! Princess na dito ako pupunta sa may California at dun yung merong aquarium kasi binigyan niya ako ng aquarium sa maliit na aquarium. So I was thinking if lalagyan ko siya ng tilapia, bangus, or chichi. Let's find out. So on the way tayo ngayon para tumingin ng Fishda. So let's see. So we're getting near. So this is Alnate Park area. And ayan ang ating view here. Whew. So hot. So hanapin natin kung saan yung magbebenta ng mga Fishda. Dito na tayo sa may malapit sa may Carrefour. So let's see. So I think andito na ako sa Almazan Orange Fish. Hi! Finally! Is this normal color or you...
No, this one not normal color.
The other one?
I saw you normal.
I was thinking of putting bangus o tilapia. Charot. Baliw ka talaga. This one is nice.
This is normal color.
Where is the best for that size? I have.
Small goldfish.
There's a small goldfish?
Yeah.
That one? That's not sensitive. How would you know that the fish is girl or boy? How did you know that the fish is girl or boy?
Some very difficult to identify.
Because I want partner. It should be partner.
Right.
You know,
No need for
there should be a forever for that fish. How much is that?
This one 3 piece 10.
3.15 each.
3 piece 10. Sambu
3 piece 10? Really? So nakabili na ng Fishda. Andito na ang ating Fishda. Ayan, so later on transfer natin siya sa aquarium. Huh?